Wait, guys. This is Aloha Saturday in Hawaii. Make some noise, Waikiki! The 21st annual Waikiki Spam Jam. And now we please welcome to the stage this powerhouse husband and wife duo known for the infectious energy, stunning harmonies, and a fresh blend of Hawaiian country music. They've captured audiences across Hawaii and beyond, and have opened for international country stars like Billy Currington, Brett Young, and Gary Levo of Rascal Flats. Please welcome multiple Nahoku Hana Hana award-winning Kalai and Kalenaku Parish.
Understand why it's over. I could go through the motions of walking away. I can give you the key and take my things back. I can buy plenty things to fill my day, but I don't know how not to think about you when it's late at night and quiet. Just like breathing, a melody that you hear and can't forget. Time goes by and I still need you. Yeah, you're worth every heartbreak and regret. But I don't know how not to think about you when it's late at night and quiet and I know that I want to. And I know that I ought to be the one who strong just moves on. But I'm proud to turn on your own, knock on your door, fall back in your arms, wake up in the morning, telling to myself the way that I can't help the way I still want you. I just don't know how not to, how not to, how not to. I just don't know how not to, how not to. Spam Jam, how we doing? You guys having a good time so far? We're gonna take you back real country. You guys ready? Woke up this morning with the sun over the sea. Footsteps behind me. I see her face as she comes snuggling up to me. There ain't no place that we would rather be. Nothing around for my love it.
Woke up this morning with my baby next to me, counting all blessings that we see. He's drinking whiskey while I pour a cup of tea.
True story.
Ain't no place that we would rather be. Nothing round but mine.
Round for mine.
Raise your cup, let's stay a while.
So come on. A little bit country, a little bit crazy. Got a little bit of money and a whole lot of love. A little bit of back road, a little bit of sand in our toes as we live in paradise. A Valentine. Starry nights and mountain high.
Watching the moon on
The
the
wind is
rise.
blowing through the poetry. Hand in hand, just you and I, breathe it in and feel the ocean breathe. Tomorrow morning we can do it all
Tell 'em,
again.
honey.
Set the clouds back to God knows where. This is our Grease Lightning portion of this song, y'all. We're a little bit country, a little bit crazy. Got a little bit of money and a whole lot of love. A little bit of back roads, a little bit of sand in our toes as we live in paradise. A Valentine. I want a little bit of back road, a little bit of sand in our toes. Live in paradise. All my life.
Oh, well, welcome to Spam Jam here in Waikiki. This is my favorite festival in Waikiki because it's all about spam. What's your favorite food with spam in it?
Spam musubi. Not spam and eggs, spam and eggs. I like spam and eggs.
I like it in my fried rice.
Oh, yeah, that's good too. You
Some
do
egg,
like
green
low
onion,
sodium spam or like
oyster
regular
sauce.
spam? Anybody do low sodium? Oh, you guys go for the the salty one, huh?
Then you can eat more. That's the hack.
Said a different town, a folk song slowing through a mile 20. We're playing a new tune, but it just don't sound the same. I grab my kit, I pop my clutch. I what's with this random bunch? I remember when music felt so good and made you dance and sway. So I searched day and night for this moment to arrive, saving the whole world from silly songs with dynamite. 'Cause when it feels good, it feels so nice. When it feels good, it feels so right. When it feels good, it feels so nice. I'll play that music so loud until they say it blow your mind. Do-do-do-do. All right, Kalenaku, you ready?
Oh, it don't get no feeling when that groove just pulls your soul. Can keep your feet from tapping out from mama's soul. Can I get
Some funky Dixie line.
and dance with these old shoes? Lift those high till the sun comes up and I will hear it all for you.
So well, play it for the universe and shine the past the time.
Rise is so
I said uptown funk you up. I said uptown funk you up. You know the words. Uptown funk you up. I said uptown funk you. One more time. I said uptown funk you up. I said uptown funk you up. Come on. I said uptown funk you. Just a little bit of funky. Just a little bit of good time. Just a little bit of country. Just a little bit of online. Just a little bit of nasty. Just a little bit of rock and roll. Just a little bit of classic. Just a little bit of good to your soul. So let's save myself from reckoning and sing this joyful note.
Play that music so loud so they know we hit the fuse.
'Cause when it feels good, it feels so nice. When it feels good, it feels so right. When it feels good, it feels so nice. I play that music so loud until they say it blow your mind. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do, yeah. Now play that music so loud till they say blow your mind. Hallelujah, Spam Jam, mahalo, mahalo. My name is Clay Parish, along with my lovely wife, Kalenaku, y'all.
One more time, make some noise. Kalai and Kalenaku, Parish. Oh, I have to ask, you guys already know what to do. You guys are ready to do it real fast. You know, you guys are both on the rise artists with Henry Kapono Foundation. You know, you guys both have songs that were on the radio here in Hawaii already. But how has it been working with Henry Kapono?
We love Henry Kapono. He's awesome.
It feels like a family. It feels like a family. It's just nothing but aloha and great opportunities working with them.
What is the one thing that sticks out in your mind that he taught you as a lesson, I would say, that you would never forget? Wow, I stumped Kalena.
I got a really good one.
Yeah.
Always be ready.
Always be ready.
And the reason is because we were on stage performing with him, and my husband told me, be ready, you never know what's gonna happen.
I was like, when you
He
play with
warned me.
Uncle Henry, you gotta be ready at all times.
And he put a fast one on me mid-chorus. He told me, take the next verse. And I was like, is this guy serious? Unrehearsed, completely like, and I had to hit it an octave higher because it wasn't in my key, but we...
And then I was looking down at her from the stage and I was just giving her the nod. I told you, I told you.
So yeah, always be ready.
But you know, and with that being said, in the industry, when somebody that's a mentor or someone a little older than you tells you you gotta do something on stage, you just gotta go with the flow, right?
That's right.
Whether you're ready or not.
That's right.
Family and friends, if you guys can, one more time, make some noise for Kalai and Kalenaku Parish.
This last song is for you pretty mamas out there living your best life. It was a little something like that. You ready? Here we go. I met this woman on a Honolulu. Now she's a bad mama jamma. She's a crazy about you. Now she's a hard-working classy at the way of my groove. Now she will shake it down, spin you on a moonlit cruise. Now she's a whatchamacallit, and I think she got a good move. Pretty mama dancing on a beach in Poipo, yeah. Honolulu grown. Now she's a funky kind of spunky girl. I wanna make her home. Now she's a shoot the cruise cruising. Every hole in the bone known. She will shake it down the town until the early morning. You finally fell in love and you wake up and she's gone. Pretty mama dancing to my white she's a muck a wild dream. A couple of boots and buckles, she's the time I saddle Jane. Now she's a whiskey drinking, loving, cussing, maybe a little mean. Now she will rope you up, tie you down and leave you at the sea. Now if you're looking for a loving, you know what I mean. Pretty mama dancing Maui rodeo queen. That woman I need is jamming to my bumping bag. I need that woman I need is jamming to my bumping beat. Now she's a mighty fine woman, I hear full of heat, smoking up the floor, you know I follow where you lead. Now if you feel like a dollar, let's just see how far. I know what else matters, honey, be who you are. All right, Spam John, I need you guys help real quick. Get your hands together for me real fast. Now, how many of you pretty mamas in the house tonight? Only two, only two. Now you fellas, how many of you hanging out with a pretty mama tonight? Good move, good move. Now this is a tricky one. How many of you dogs out there looking for a pretty mama tonight?
We got a couple, we got a couple.
What's it? Here we go. So there's a woman at a Hilo waterfall. Now she was rinsing out her body, dropping down this here jaw. She was swaying to the music of a baby full of song. Now backyard jam with the family, everybody sing along. Out here in the country, we'll be having a ball. Ritzy mama dancing to my jams all night long. That woman I need is jamming to my bumping bag. Family Spam Jam. My name is Parish and my wife Kalenaku. You guys have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful evening. Hello.
Waikiki, keep the applause going for Kalae and Kalenaku Parish. Once again, mahalo for joining us here in Waikiki for the 21st annual Waikiki Spam Jam. This is the Outrigger Resorts and Hotel stage. More music to come. Want to thank all of the wonderful musicians that graced the stage before us.